Winning now, 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 winning now. My name is Geremia. I'm a musician, and I play different instruments, but especially I like to do music with the body, like this. Now, do you think you're ready to put them all together?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, let's try.
Ready? Just watch.
Elephant, crocodile, gorilla. Hey.
Ready? Elephant, crocodile, gorilla.
Tum, pa, tum, pa, tum, pa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Tum, tum, tur, tu, tu, tum. Pa. And we were afraid to mistake. Tum, pa. Tum, pa. Oh, that was really good. Now let's do it as if we are really confident. Like say, yeah, we know this rhythm. So, tum, pa.
Tum, pa.
Tum, pa.
Tum, pa.
Nice. Ding, ding, dum, dum, shum. Ding, ding, dum, dum, shum. Ding, ding, dum, dum, shum.
Serena.
Great and excited, so he teaches us again. I'm excited.
Excited. Good.
I felt really happy and it made me relax.
Oh.
I feel happy. I can't wait for next week. I'm super excited for next week, like Carter said.
Emmerich?
Body language, that's a good word, because in fact we are trying to communicate with the body. So I think you got the concept.